Hi friends. Well, we've been talking about phonics all day, so I'm sure we know what phonic sounds are now. The phonic sounds of the letters in the alphabet are the sounds that the letters make. So let's look at the rest of the sounds or the rest of the letters that we haven't done yet today. Now we're on the letter P. Capital letter P or the mommy P and the baby P or the small letter P. What sound does the letter P make? It makes the P sound. P, P, P for Peppa Pig. P, P, P for pig. Letter Q. Mommy Q and baby Q. What sound does the letter Q make? Qu, 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 qu for queen. Look at our queen with her crown. K, k, qu, 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 like a queen. And then we have the letter R. Mommy R and baby R. What sound does the letter R make? It makes the R sound. R, R, R for red, like the color of our little square. R, R, R for red. And then we have the letter S. The mommy S and the baby S. What sound does the letter S make? It makes the S sound. S, S, S for snake. It even looks like a little slithering snake, doesn't it? S, S, S for snake. And then we have the letter T. Mommy T and baby T. What sound does the letter T make? It makes the T sound. T, T, T for tiger. T, T, T for tiger. And it also makes the T sound like my name, Auntie Toby. T, T, T for tiger or Toby. And next we have the letter